beneath the marketplaces, there's a different kind of structure on the dark web. Not transactional, not commercial, social, communal, sometimes ideological. These are the forums and communities of the dark web, where people connect, share, and collaborate in ways that are hard to find anywhere else online. Some are focused on privacy and technology. Others are built around activism, politics, or underground economies. Many operate in full anonymity, with no usernames tied to identities, no profiles, and no history. So, what do these communities look like? They're often hosted on .onion forums, accessible only through Tor. Most are text-based, threaded discussions, simple layouts, no branding, no flair, just content. The anonymity is intentional, not just for privacy, but for equality. Without a real name or face, every user starts from zero. Your reputation is earned through knowledge, contribution, or trust, not status. There are forums dedicated to cryptography and cybersecurity, places where hackers and experts debate techniques, share tools, and analyze vulnerabilities. Whistleblower hubs, where documents are reviewed, distributed, and discussed. Drug culture and harm reduction, conversations about safe use, sourcing, and avoiding scams. Survivalism, philosophy, or radical political thought, often blending ideology with security and digital autonomy. But not all forums are ethical or even legal. There are also criminal networks trading stolen data or methods, extremist groups spreading propaganda and recruitment, scam boards where users rate the reliability of illegal vendors. These spaces are often gated, requiring registration, referrals, or even cryptocurrency deposits just to access. Trust is everything. Reputation systems, often called cred or karma, are how users navigate risk. A user with 500 posts and 3 years of history is more trusted than someone new, even if no one knows their real identity. Moderation varies widely. Some forums are tightly curated, with rules, moderators, and codes of conduct. Others are chaotic and unfiltered. Some communities even conduct their own internal investigations, identifying scammers, banning threats, or publishing guides to avoid law enforcement detection. And yes, law enforcement is watching. Many agencies monitor these spaces, infiltrate them, or take them down when laws are broken. But forums adapt. They migrate. Change URLs? Encrypt everything. Sometimes they disappear entirely, only to re-emerge later under a new name. What makes these forums unique isn't just their content, it's their structure. Decentralized, resilient, rooted in a shared belief that privacy matters and that some conversations can't happen in the light. Whether you agree with what's discussed or not, the way these communities operate offers insight into a part of the internet that rarely surfaces. They are the hidden town squares of the digital underground, noisy, strange, and often revealing.